As an elected representative, my key role is to encourage constituents to become involved in North Coast World Earth and inspire the change we all wish to see.
North Coast World Earth is an educational, environmental awareness campaign and action group. Members continue to rise across the Causeway Coast and Glens. We recently deployed Esri's ArcGIS Hub, Survey 123 app and dashboards to help us gather accurate data about the litter our members are collecting.
We carry out a lot of litter picks in the local area. The app allows us to record visually what we're doing, where we're doing it, and it's just that visual cue for pupils to see their work being up on the big screen. It's the reward of saying, we did that, we collected 4 bags, we're making a difference. It's not just about litter picking, it's where the litter comes from. It's educating children so they have a voice. Children are being rewarded for what they're doing, and hopefully they will make a difference. They are our future planet protectors.
As an eco-hub, members of the public have access to North Coast World Earth equipment. This includes rakes for sand art, litter pickers and personal protective equipment. Electric bike hire for us is the future of how people should be travelling, especially around the North Coast. We can get really bad congestion during the summer. We've got all these beautiful attractions that aren't that far away from each other, and so we'd love to see people cycling from attraction to attraction rather than sitting in a traffic jam. What North Coast World Earth do is help businesses facilitate that change in a really simple and easy but tremendously effective way.
As a committee member of North Coast World Earth and an art teacher, I encourage my students to become agents of social change. One of the ways is we've designed some drain art, and it's really to make pupils and young people aware that their rubbish actually goes into the drain and gets washed out to sea. We run an eco art and craft workshop every week and make awareness of recycling and waste. Just connect and respect our local environment.
Here in Ballysally, the community, the kids all come together to collect the litter. It's a great way to get the kids out and about in fresh air, teach them about their environment, teach them about recycling and teach them about looking after our planet. We use the dashboard now to keep a record of what we collect. It's all tracked on the app, so usually we cover about 1.5 miles every time we're out. We can collect anywhere from 3 to 6 full bags, and that's maybe only in an hour and a half period. And we used some of that information and fed it back to the council and received another bin here just down by the school based on our litter collections in the area.
The map will actually show us where we were.
How many tons of litter have been lifted? The distance you've walked to pick up litter.
Do you like that system?
Yeah.
Out of 5, what would you rate it?
North Coast World Earth is inspiring young people to take responsibility for their environment, and not least in a beautiful environment like the North Coast. They're going to go home, they're going to tell their parents, and hopefully this will snowball right across Northern Ireland and indeed across the world. Whether that's an individual, whether it's you as a family, whether it's a community organisation, a school, everybody needs to play their part in trying to save our very precious earth.
Individuals, families, community groups, businesses and schools can all register as members via the group's website. Esri's technology has enabled us to create a sustainable platform that will support the group's activities long into the future. This has helped us engage with communities, raise awareness and build a better case for short-term action and long-term change.